Hello everyone and welcome to today's video. Today's video is going to be about how to download Airbnb on Android in 2026. For that, the first thing that you must ensure is that you're either connected to a Wi-Fi or a mobile data network. If you're connected to a Wi-Fi network, a Wi-Fi icon should appear in the status bar. If you're connected to a mobile data network, then a 4G or 5G icon should appear next to your network status. The other thing that you must ensure is that your Android phone is running Android 9.0 or higher. For that, head over to Settings, hit About Phone, scroll down, hit Software Information and check your Android version. This phone is running Android version 16, so we're good to go. After that, you can head over to your app drawer and search for Play Store in the search bar. Open up Play Store on your device and then head over to search, and then in the search bar simply look for Airbnb. Right next to Airbnb over here, you can see the blue install button. Hit the blue install button. Make sure that you're logged into Google account before trying to download Airbnb. Else, you'll be prompted to log into your Google account on Play Store, in which you'll have to enter your credentials and then log in and download the app. After you've downloaded Airbnb, you can open the app and then you can create a listing or view a listing and book it. For any further questions, please feel free to leave a comment down below.